Hello my people, welcome again to GLAATORY. Yeah, on my today's video I'll be showing you how I made this creamy lemonade drink. This is very easy drink you can make on your own. This is very tasty and very creamy. I'll be using this 4 lemon for this recipe. This already washed, so I'll be slicing it to make it easier for my blender to blend it. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. And my returning followers, thank you for always tagging along with me. So this is a special drink you can make for yourself and for your visitors. Here I'm blending the whole, both the skin and the inside, because I need that bitter and sour taste all together. But if you don't want the bitter taste, you can remove the skin and only blend the inside. So if you're seeing my video for the first time, remember to subscribe to my channel at GLAATORY and follow my page on YouTube and Instagram on GLAATORY Flavors. Here I'm pouring it to sieve out the juice. You can see this is very easy recipe you can make on your own. If you have the cheesecloth, you can use it to squeeze out the juice, but I prefer to go through the sieve. I'll be adding more water. So this creamy lemonade is only made with 3 ingredients, and I'll be listing those ingredients on my caption or my description for you to check it out later. You can see all well saved. You can see how creamy it is already, but that's not the end of it. Please keep watching. I'll be pouring it back on my blender and add my condensed milk. So I'll be blending it to well combine to form the creaminess. You can see, very creamy. You see, oh well done. Hope you get to try this recipe. This is very easy recipe you can try on your own. Remember, if you want the skin to make it bitter, fine, but if you don't want, just use the inside. Hope to see you again on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.